Alright, I'm trying to learn how to program, specifically with Python. And I feel like in order to make real progress and to make the concept stick and everything like that, you have to like build stuff, make projects. It's the same with learning a language. Like you can learn words and phrases in isolation, but it doesn't really stick until you can communicate yourself effectively and understand what's being said to a certain degree. So, like learning print hello world, just like, I don't know, like for example, when I was in middle school, I did Code Academy, learned a decent amount, but never did anything. So I'm trying to make projects to make it where the stuff sticks, where I'm actually able to apply it and make more stuff. So if you look here, what I want to do is make like a workout tracker for my like a project. So I have like I'm trying to connect the Google Sheets API with Python, and I watched this entire video. I tried this, didn't work at all actually. But this, like, I got it, but I don't understand. So if you look here, so I import and like I don't know how to make it. There's so much to learn. Like I didn't understand any of this, inputting it in or whatever. Working like this is my first time ever working with the API in Python. So like I don't know if I do it after this function. I just learned functions like yesterday. I had to Google it myself. I didn't know what libraries were. I don't know a lot of stuff in Python, to be fair. Maybe I'm jumping ahead of myself. But I feel like this is actually one of the best way to learn. Okay, whatever. So, like what I wanted to do is like I make, like it has the dates. The day is entered automatically based on whatever day you enter it in. So let's say I enter, like right now the date's right here, 6/11. But if I entered the info today, I guess I could ask you the date, but it would just automatically be the 7th of November. And then they ask you what day it was. Like, was it leg, push, pull, cardio? Then it asks you like some information about your workout, what you did, and everything. So I made, like super quickly, just like a little script. So like for example, you run this. Eat. Oh, okay, I guess I have to delete those. What day was it? It was a leg day. Day squats, yes. How many working sets? I did 3. I did 6, let's say 8 per set. What was the weight? 125. And it stores it. Like right here, it's stored in variables in the program. I want it to write that into a cell. Like here, boom, boom, boom. So I have the logic figured out. Not totally, actually. There's a lot of the logic that needs to get done. Like, yeah, there's actually a lot of logic that needs to be done. But I want to, at the very least, be able to write into the cells. There is so much to learn. And plus, this is just Python. Like, supposedly, you can do a lot more with JavaScript, with other languages. But I'm not great with Python, obviously. So I would first like to be able to build projects in Python that are actually useful. Like this is actually useful. The thought came to me while I was at the gym actually. But I want to make things that I can actually use and I can actually use them and learn, make bigger projects. But there's just so much to learn. And like this is literally just making basic projects. There's so much more to learn to make like actual like stuff that's useful for the masses, I guess, like making software and that kind of thing. But the learning curve supposedly is pretty steep. So like you learn and you learn a lot when you put in the effort. So we'll see.